Hello everyone, my name is Enoch.
I'm Sam Barista.
And we are here to take you through a small introduction to this wonderful automatic coffee making machine. I will start by showing you how to set it up, and our able barista will show you and make some different type of coffees. Thank you and welcome. Yes, so this wonderful automatic coffee making machine is made by the giant Delonghi manufacturer in Italy, and you can see we just removed it from the box. It's ECAM Dinamica 350, and it's one of the best according to the reviews. So I just want to show you how different parts can be removed and assembled. As you can see, this is the down part that normally collects water. It's already sealed, but you can always remove the seal and clean this part. This normally collects the dirty beans when they are removed from the beans. We have a water purifier, which I will show you how to use it later. And this is where we put water. It's the water tank. The good thing about this machine is they even tell you how far the water should go. So all that, you can see the sprout can go down and up, and we have the one sprout for milk and hot water. We also have the upper part where you can put the beans, the coffee beans, for grinding by the machine, and it has the grinder which is marked from 1, 3, 5 and 4, so your job is to turn. You also have another lid for the fine, already refined coffee to put using this scope here. So that's our wonderful machine right there. Thank you.
Niyo tugiye gukoresha kuri uyu munsi. Ikawa tugiye kuyishyira muri grinder yacu ifatanye na machine yacu dukoresha. Tugiye gukora espresso imwe gusa kubera ko tugiye gukora ikawa ya cappuccino. Turamanura single shot. Noneho duselecte. Turashaka espresso iri single.